What's up? What's up? What's up? You already know. This is Peach. Come on. This is Peach. One more time. This is Peach. You got it. And today we are doing our Tampa living tour. I think this is like part 26. Your girl been getting them in. But we are currently in what's called MIDTOWN, which is the newest, hottest, desired area to be in the Tampa, Florida area. We would normally consider this like West Tampa area. It really wasn't too much here, but businesses and restaurants. This entire plaza over, it has a hotel, it has restaurants, a bicycle shop, all that stuff, apartments. So we're gonna get a tour of the outside. It's not even ready yet. So the first thing they have is a Whole Foods, and I just want to point out, we're about 7 minutes when traffic good from Tampa International Airport. There's the interstate right over there. So 7-minute drive from the airport, which is another reason a lot of people want to be here. About 7 minutes from downtown Tampa. Literally across this interstate is a Walmart and a Target and Home Depot and Home Goods and all that jazz. But if you do decide to rent a property here or actually stay here for the hotel, it's conveniently located. They're gonna have a Whole Foods. So they are currently doing construction on the Whole Foods. We're gonna tour this whole plaza, and I'm going to try to show you all as much as I possibly can. Like I said, they're still building this stuff. It's not quite ready yet. They have what, a Shake Shack coming. I've seen a lot of people on Instagram super hyped up about the Shake Shack. I've never had Shake Shack. I'm like, what's all the hype about Shake Shack? But they got one coming. Comment down below if you have a Shake Shack where you're located and if it's something to be hype about. But so far, this is what we're looking at. I really want to check out those apartments, and I want to check out this bike store. It's a Ria Coop-Op, whatever that's supposed to mean. Unless it's like a co-op. My dumb self is talking about Coop-Op, co-op. So a collaborative space. Normally that's what a co-op is. Like, Peaches, put on your thinking cap and think. I do not feel like I'm in Tampa. I'll say that for sure. I feel like I'm in like Atlanta or Las Vegas. Like, this isn't normal for us to have buildings that look like this. They connecting and stuff up top, just on the street. They're nice. It's kind of like Publix on Channel Side. It's the kind of vibe the Whole Foods is giving. That's what it's giving. I cannot believe how Tampa is changing. So we're gonna go up in this store, see what they selling here. Give y'all a whole tour. I haven't done one of these kind of videos in quite some time. They hiring. So it's called MIDTOWN West. MIDTOWN West. Completely weird. And then the apartment complexes connect to over here too. So the apartment complex connects to the shopping complex. So let's go into the REI co-op shop, whatever that means. This is cute. Look at the doorknobs. It has a hammer on the door.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, do I have to wear a face mask in here?
No, ma'am. Okay.
So shout out to Governor Ron DeSantis and President Joe Biden. We ain't got to wear masks and stuff like that in Florida. All right, so this is a little co-op shop. I gotta ask them how you pronounce it. Normally co-op means it's a lot of different stores, like a collaborative space, but this looks like they got a lot of outdoor stuff. Black Diamond Spot, a lot of outdoor stuff and bike stuff. That's what I'm seeing. And here, a little barbecue grill, $48. Comment down below if you think that that's a good price for this grill, $48. Like a little outdoor camping grill. Sleeping bag. I've never had a sleeping bag. Y'all know what? I've never been camping before. I would love to go camping, but at the same time, I'm scared of bears, and I can't swim, and I'm scared to get kidnapped in my sleep. Whole lot of fears right there. Outdoor chair. So yeah, it just looked like a, say, one overnight bag, weekend, multi-day. This looked like a hiking, outdoor, sports kind of store. Comment down below if you guys have one of these where you live. And I know some of y'all might be like, Peach, you really not gonna wear a mask? No, I never really wanted to wear a mask. I just did it to comply. But now that I don't have to wear one, I ain't wearing no mask. Okay, I'm gonna just be out here in these streets. Okay. They got these boards, a pedal board. I guess that's what this is. This is $960. I don't know how to swim, so I don't never see me getting nothing like that. I do need to get Choice a new life vest, because the one we bought him from Sam's Club ended up being too small for him. These look like life vests, youth life vests. He needs something like this. How much does this cost? $60. That's $60. The little kitty one right here is $60 as well. Comment down below if you have these kind of life vests for your family. I'll probably come back and get Choice one of these. Not today, boo. Spending $60 on this today, boo. So this is nice. Like, if you live here, you're also about 10 minutes from the beach and 5 minutes from Cypress Beach. So right now where we're located, Midtown West, you have Cypress Beach, which is literally a 5-minute drive up the street. And then you have, if you get on the interstate, about 10-minute drive right down from Tampa International Airport. You have Benty Davis Beach. And if you really want to go to a nice beach, I highly recommend that you go to Clearwater Beach. It's more crowded, but the water is nicer, and the sand is as well. But they have done some work to Benty Davis. They got this for your little bikes and stuff. This $349. And then they got all the bikes. This is what caught my eye in the window, was the bicycles. Bikes are so expensive, y'all. Depends on the kind of bike you get. How much this bike costs? $399. This bike $400. Comment down below if you'll pay $400 for this bike. Alright, Peach Patch. So they have employee bicycle parking. So if you work here, they encourage you to ride your bike to work. That's so interesting. Child, Tampa is changing so much. I am an actual Tampa native. Growing up, we didn't have that much public transportation, and we also didn't really ride bikes for fun or actually to work. We actually, to travel, you needed to have a car. Now it's becoming more common to see people riding bikes to work, scooters to work, etc. It's actually encouraged. They also have these training bikes, $229. $229, y'all, for this bike with the training wheels. Wow. I gotta figure out how to say the name of this store. I'm saying co-op. Co-op, hopefully that's right. They have this water bottle refill thing right here. This is what I'm starting to see a lot of businesses do, and even parks. They're no longer doing water fountains. They're more so doing this bottle saver thing. My son's school has this as well. They have to bring their own water bottles to school and refill them all day. So that's what they do. Customer pickup only. So this stuff people don't order that they're bringing.
We might have one hiding somewhere.
All right, y'all. I think that's it for this store. I don't see me shopping here. I don't know what I want out of here aside from something like this, because I would eventually like to have something to put our bikes on the top of our car. But other than that, I'm not an outdoorsy person. But if you are considering moving to Tampa, you just want to see what Tampa is like, this community does offer this. All right, Peach Patch. So I just asked one of the employees how you say the name of the store. He said it's just REI. I'm like, REI Co-op? He was like, yeah. So that's how you say it, REI. It's just the initials. So I didn't got the little period separating the initials. Got me up here thinking I'm crazy. Alrighty, so let's get up out of here and continue this journey through Midtown, Florida. And like I said, masks are optional in Florida. The employees as well as the guests can choose to wear a mask or not wear a mask. Completely up to the person now. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well. Ugh, that dough heavy. I really like these doorknobs, but they're so freaking heavy. So REI is just the name of it, and they say co-op. That's optional, so just say REI. Boom, got it. What, they got a Spectrum? Oh wow, I didn't know they had a Spectrum. They got everything seem like down here. Like you really not gonna have to leave. When I have my little issues with Spectrum, I'll probably come here. So they have a Spectrum down here, Spectrum call center. I mean, not call center, store, the Spectrum store where you can go get phones. I'm gonna take y'all in there for those of you who like, what is Spectrum? Spectrum is our cable company. They also offer cell phones now. So if you want an iPhone and stuff, they offer that stuff now. So you can get a phone through Spectrum, but your phone bill will be due with your cable bill. That's one of the reasons why I didn't get my phone service through Spectrum. I do hear really good things about them. People say that you get free Wi-Fi like everywhere that has the little Spectrum stuff. It'll automatically connect, so you don't have to worry about your phone being slow like mine is with T-Mobile. But I do have Spectrum internet. All right, so now we're out of here. Let's see what else they got. Keep on exploring. I want to look at one of those rental properties. I wonder where their leasing office is. Child, like we got doctors and stuff living up over here. I don't know how much these cost. Do you know what the rent office is? Thank you. Alright, so we're going to go to the leasing office and we're going to see if your girl can get a tour of at least a 2-bedroom. I don't want to see a 1. I would at least want to see a 2, but we're going to look at whatever they'll show us and also get a price point just so we'll see how much rent is in this area. I know everything in Tampa is going up, and I'm sure this probably like a 1-bedroom might be like $2,000. If it's under $2,000, that would be surprising, but I think it'll be about $2,000 for a 1. But let's go see. Wonder what the police got going on. This is crazy though. I've never seen anything like this. I'm like real deal amazed at how this city is changing right before my eyes. And it's like, girl, you better get your money right so you can take advantage of this new lifestyle. I'm talking about people just in Range Rovers on regular days, okay? So we're gonna come over here to the Gold Building, see if we can see one of their rental properties. It says Novel. Does it Novel? Novel, MIDTOWN, Tampa, the ultimate arrival, now leasing. Let's go check this place out. Great Peach Patch. So we're just finishing touring, and it's actually called Novel. I was like, is it Novel or Novel? It's Novel. I'm gonna continue to walk around just to show you guys some stuff, but she gave me so much information, guys. The fact that, man, this place is so beautiful. I love the black fixtures. But the fact that Oprah is opening up a restaurant here, like, I would have never known that. That's insane. So she said that this second building, we can't really see it because it's fenced up, but this second building, not this one, that's the first one, the second one right behind it, is going to be Oprah Winfrey's restaurant. I'm like, what? Oprah opened up a restaurant at 10? What? Somebody tell Oprah to just call me. I vlog it. But I'm super excited. I know I did a whole lot of wow, and it was like genuine wows because I am from Tampa. I have never seen anything like this, and y'all know Peach be everywhere. Peach be in these streets, but I am amazed. I'm blown away. So they have 3 buildings. This is building 1, that's building 2, and then on the side over there is building 3. This is crazy, and they go up to 3 bedrooms. They're 3 bedrooms. They have studios as well. So the studios are starting at $1,690, she said, and then the 3 bedrooms go up to, I think she said $3,500 a month. So it get pricey, but I think it's gonna be the it area. Like when we were sitting here, people were applying. When I was here, there was other people going on tours and applying. They're gonna actually have a Sephora makeup store right here. She was telling me about that. That's gonna be opening up in July of 2021. She said that the restaurant, not the restaurant, the Whole Foods will also be opening up July of 2021. She told me that they do have a rooftop restaurant, Salimar, a rooftop bar. I wonder can I go up there now? Let's see. She said that they're open. I don't know if they're open at night or if they're open now. Let's go see Peach Patch. Like they open now. It's just the details for me. I've never seen anything like this. Do the elevator work? Ain't no light cut on, maybe. Maybe the elevator don't work, but she said it's open, so. Call me Dora. I'm Dora the Explorer today. We are exploring Poop Hub. So Peach Patch, I don't think that this elevator is on. I done pressed that button like 5 times, ain't nothing happened. So I'm about to just go. But she said that the rooftop bar, Salamar, however you say it, she said that it is open. This place is absolutely beautiful. Just imagine, like, I feel like this is for young, I would say influencers, YouTubers, Instagrammers, TikTokers. That's the kind of vibe I got. Like, it's for that young crowd, that hip crowd, the crowd that's really into social media. And then you can literally just walk downstairs and get makeup. Walk downstairs, go to get your son to eat, walk to the front, go to get your groceries from Whole Foods. Like, this is crazy. And they're calling this area MIDTOWN Tampa, which is new. Never heard of MIDTOWN. I was on Instagram. That's how I found out about this area. I was on Instagram and I seen people going nuts about the Shake Shack coming to Tampa. And I'm like, what the Shake Shack? Like, why are people going crazy about Shake Shack? And where is MIDTOWN? That's West Tampa. What are they talking about, MIDTOWN? And so I decided to drive over here with my inquisitive self and get to the bottom of it. So we're getting to see everything happening in this area. So they got Aloft Hotels, Element by Westin. How they got two different hotels at once? How that work? Aloft Hotels. This is the Aloft part, and then on the other side it's the Element. I guess, child. But I just want to get a front view of this Shake Shack place. They got valet parking for the hotel. This is crazy. If you're from Tampa, I would say pay attention, baby. Gentrification is real. And instead of complaining, just continuing to complain about it. See how you can put your feet in the game. Like, I want to know, what can I do to survive the changes going on in my city? I don't want to be forced to move out because I can't afford to live here when I'm a Tampa native. Our wages don't match the rising price of living, but it's like, what are you gonna do to make sure that you can take care of your family and y'all can survive these economic changes? Comment down below if your city is currently going through gentrification. So this is what everybody going crazy about. Shake Shack. You see, this is Element, and then that's Aloft. I want to see what the hotels look like too, but I don't feel like walking in there today, so we'll do that another day. But here we go. Comment down below if you have a Shake Shack where you're from. We don't have Shake Shacks in Tampa, at least not to my knowledge. I've never seen one, so I'm like, what's the hype? I can't wait till they open up so I can see what it's all about. They are hiring, but most people in Tampa are getting unemployment. They don't want to work. Peach Patch, I hope you all like this video, and if you did, you know what to do. You know what to do. Go ahead and hit her like you like. Hey, hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. Thanks for watching. Bye. You like. Hit her like you like. Hit her like you like. For your girl. You like my pictures. Hit her like you like. You like my videos. Hit her like you like. You ain't no hater. Hit her like you like. You getting paper. Hit her like you like. Go like, 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 like. Let's go. Like, 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 like to the 4. 1 like, 2 like, 3 like, 4. Hit her like you like soon as you see my videos. You know your girl funny, yeah, you know your girl dope. If you really like me, why wouldn't you hit it, yo? L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like he like and send that love my way. L to the I-K-E-Y, bae. Hit her like he like and send that love my way. Like, 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 like. Let's go. Like, 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 like. Follow. Like, hit her like, hit her like he like. For your girl, go. Slide with a like, rock with a like. To the left, to the right, go like. Australia better like, US better like, UK hit her like, hit her like it like, hit her like, for your girl. Take it back to the like, from the left to the right, go like, Scotland better like, hit her like, go left to the right, go like, Africa go like, I hope y'all like this sound. Yeah, that's right. Hit her like you like for your girl. Thanks for juking. Bye.